Welcome to Naturalist Jamaican Home Cooking. Alright, this week I'm going to be doing fry plantain. If you're just joining, remember to like, share, comment and subscribe for more videos. Tell a friend to tell a friend and 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 a friend, and then another friend. Come make we bubble a pot. I have my plantain here. Going to peel the plantain. So now I'm going to cut up the plantain. Cut it into small slices. What I'm going to do, I'm going to add some Maggi season up, jerk seasoning, right? I am now going to add some cooking oil. I'm now going to add my plantain. The fire was too high, and the pot is thin, so we almost burned the plantain. Right, plantain is finished, quick and easy. Very crispy, just the way I like them. Yeah man, fry plantain ready. Check it out and see what's going on. Very yummy, you know. Kinda tastes like jerk plantain. So remember to like, share, comment and subscribe for more videos. Tell a friend to tell a friend and 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 a friend. Friend, and then another friend. Boom!